Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, your ultimate guide to stress-free travel. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about navigating immigration at Houston's airports in 2025. Whether you're flying through George Bush Intercontinental Airport or Hobby Airport, this video will save you hours of waiting and potential headaches. If this helps you out, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on for more travel hacks. Let's get into it. Houston has two major airports handling international flights: George Bush Intercontinental Airport, known as IAH, and William P. Hobby Airport, or HOU. But here's what most travelers don't know. The immigration process has gotten significantly more efficient in 2025, especially at IAH. Recent news from Houston public media has highlighted some immigration detention cases, showing the importance of understanding your rights and being prepared. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to navigate this smoothly. Let me walk you through the exact process at IAH. When you arrive on an international flight, you'll land at either Terminal D or E. Here's the game-changing part. They've implemented facial recognition technology and streamlined the process significantly in 2025. You'll have three main options for processing: Traditional Immigration Officer line, Global Entry kiosks if you're a member, Mobile Passport Control. This is your secret weapon. According to the Houston airport system, average wait times are now 15 to 30 minutes during normal periods, but can stretch to over 2 hours during peak times, typically afternoon and evening arrivals. Here's the insider tip that most travelers miss: Mobile Passport Control. This free app can cut your wait time in half. You can actually start the process up to 4 hours before landing. Simply scan your passport, answer a few questions, and generate your receipt. Based on recent updates, this app is being recognized as a hidden shortcut by travel experts. It's available for US citizens and Canadian B1/B2 visitors, and it works at both IAH and Hobby Airport. If you're a frequent international traveler, Global Entry is worth every penny. At IAH, there's something special. You can actually complete your Global Entry interview during your arrival processing. The Houston airport system has dedicated enrollment booths right in the immigration hall. Global Entry members bypass the regular lines entirely and use dedicated kiosks. We are talking about 5-minute processing versus potentially hours. 2025 has brought some significant changes. Real ID enforcement started in May, so make sure your documentation is compliant. Also, based on recent ICE operations in Houston, there's increased scrutiny, especially for certain travelers. If you're a green card or visa holder, immigration attorneys are advising extra preparation. Have all your documents ready, know your rights, and be prepared for potential secondary screening. Here are my top insider tips. Download the Mobile Passport Control app before your trip. Have your documents ready and organized. Arrive during off-peak hours if possible. Consider TSA PreCheck and Global Entry for the ultimate travel experience. Keep receipts and documents from your trip handy. For those connecting flights, international in-transit passengers need to go through the entire process and re-screen through TSA. Plan for at least 2 to 3 hours for connections. That's everything you need to know about Houston airport immigration in 2025. If this video helped you, show some love with a super thanks, or join our channel membership for exclusive travel content. Your support helps us create more detailed guides like this. Drop a comment below about your Houston airport experiences, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel hacks. Safe travels, everyone.